1991 Nissan hardbody. Got the LED lights. Got them Cadillac wheels. On a Nissan. I like it. Different. 2-inch pipe all the way back. We put a high flow cat, a special one, angle cut. We'll hopefully have a link in the description. Then 2¼ pipe. A DYNOMAX race bullet, 24-250 if you guys want it. There'll be a link in the description for that too. And then a 4-inch tip, 2¼ tailpipe into a 4-inch tip. Double wall right there. There it is. That's how you DYNOMAX it. What do we do? DYNOMAX. DYNOMAX. And then you guys tell us what you guys think of those that wheel choice. Oh wow! Again? That's a Nissan hardbody. Hell yeah! Here's sound decibels. That's crazy, man. I've never heard a Nissan hardbody like that. So now, if you guys want that sound, go with the DYNOMAX race bullet. It sounds pretty good for a Nissan. Nissan hardbody. Again? Nissan hardbody. We're gonna do a drive off real quick. What do you guys think? I like it. It's still here. And it's a 5-speed.